Let's kick it! Wildcat Crew, your boy is back. 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 You already know the tune, baby. What's up, my people? That you can see that time of the week on boom, 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 boom. Beat-time finishing on the MunchTime view, and it's going down because I got the new white chocolate Reese's stuffed with pieces inside. It's going down, baby! So if you're not ready, you better get ready, because here we go. Let's get it, man! Birthday fans off the rip, off the muscle. Yo, white chocolate Reese's peanut butter cups. This one right here, I'm really excited for because Reese's is one of my favorite candy bars. Like, I love me some good old Reese's peanut butter cups, man. Oh my God, just that peanut butter filling wrapped around that milk chocolate. Woo! But this is the white chocolate. This is a little spin on the Reese's game. And then they didn't stop right there. No. They didn't stop right there. You see what they put in there? They put that those little M&M-esque peanut butter little candies in there to amp it up more. This is some good right here. I can't wait for this. I can't wait for this. You know what? I'm gonna stop talking about it. Let's crack this bad boy open and see what it do. This right here. Nice white and looking right. Oh yeah. Look at that. That white chocolate action is coated heavily around this peanut butter cup. You know what? It's enough talk. I already see the peanut butter chips inside ready to get eaten by your boy. Enough talk, like I said, but I keep talking. It's about to go down. Let's watch me chat. So this is the second one because I just killed that first one on the inside. But check that peanut butter action. You got those little peanut butter miniature candies in there. You know what? In the beginning when I was first eating it, the texture was something that I wasn't used to because when you bite a Reese's and inside it's just soft and that creamy peanut butter goodness, but the texture from these little candies on the inside, I had to get used to it. But you know what? It ain't that bad of a texture difference. You know, it gives that little extra crunch on the inside. It works. For me, this is the first time this is the first time in MunchTime history, you're gonna see me finish a snack on camera. I'm done. That's the whole thing. Here up, Bop is done. Bop is done. That right there, I will definitely buy again. White chocolate lovers, you will definitely like that. That is a whole different spin on a Reese's Pieces, Reese's peanut butter cup game. That right there, straight fire 5, baby. I love that. I loved it. I'm a huge Reese's fan. People that love Reese's is gonna love that. People that love white chocolate is gonna love that, man. That is a Dollar General exclusive. You can only find that at Dollar General for $1, okay? That is a $1 holla for your face piece right there, baby. I just want to say that I appreciate all the positive feedback from Food Wars, man. That first Food Wars video, I had mad fun doing it. Like I said in the video, if you have any suggestions for Food Wars, drop them down below. The next Food Wars video, I got coming very soon, so stay tuned for that. Drop all your suggestions down below. If you see a snack that you want me to review regularly for MunchTime food reviews, let them know down below. Let your boy know. Keep your boy informed. That way I can keep y'all guys entertained. So, If you like this review, hit it with a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, show a brother some love, and follow me on social media that will be posted after this video. This the Black, and until the next MunchTime review, the Wildcat J. Troy is out. Let's kick it! Let's kick it! Let's kick it! Let's kick it! Let's kick